Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today is Sunday. I know I'm getting to a late shave, and as you can see, I have about 3 days worth of growth. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Well, I do have a new phone mount, and I'm hoping that it doesn't fall. Today's shave soap is going to be by Moonsoaps, and this is Havana, and this is a nice scent. I did a trade with Ben over at Soap Thing for this soap, and it is a great scent. And I do have that whipped up already in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I am using this beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush. Look at that beauty. All right, so I have that whipped up, and maybe a little on the thick side. I'm not sure. I've never used Moonsoaps before. So let's go ahead and see how it is. You know, when you wear a black shirt, you always have to drop some soap. And that's just the way it is. I don't have my eyes in, so I gotta get up a little close here. See what I got. I want to make sure, since I have the extra growth, to get that lather worked in pretty nice. Lift up all those hairs. All right, I think that is good enough. Today's razor is going to be the Parker adjustable, and I think this is called the Variant. I can't remember, and I didn't look it up. I'm running late this morning, so I'm going to be using the Gillette super thin blade. This is a new blade, so let's go ahead and open it up. And this razor does have the little markings that you need to realign whenever you're putting it back together. So let's stick the blade on the top cap. This is a razor that I haven't used in a long time, and it is on my new chopping block. So you may see this for sale in the buy, sell, trade, because it seemed like I'm going to go with setting 4. Seemed like this was a razor that I just, wasn't just awed by it. It was, a nice shave, but I have other razors that shave really well, or at least that's what I remember. So let's go ahead with pass number 1. And you can definitely hear the feedback if I don't cut my finger. I'm good. I'm good. All right. See here. It's nice and smooth. Close cut. I picked this blade because I know it seems like this particular razor was pretty smooth, and it just needed, it had some to be desired. Let's say that. All right, here we go. And as you can see, I definitely need a haircut. All right, I need to finish out the shave, man. The scent on this soap is very nice. It has kind of a sweet, spicy vanilla scent to it. And it does have some tobacco, like fresh tobacco, cured leaves smell to me. And in the package, there was a sample of the, I think it was called Warm Regards. And that a nice scent to it. I think I'm gonna have to pick that up. The knurling on this particular handle doesn't look real grippy, and it's not a real sharp knurl, but it definitely does the job. And as far as this razor goes, I will venture to say that probably the blades that I had used in there wasn't super sharp. I had a viewer by the name of Bath Beach Jerry. It said, "Hey Matthew, between passes, you should apply some water." And I said, "Well, I've never done that before, but I will." So I went over, got a little, picked up my wife's hair mister, and I'm gonna try that out. So here we go. Jerry, thanks for the tip / hint / whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna try it out today and see. So I think this would be a good tip if you're taking a long time between passes in your face, or your lather is starting to dry up. And so if you added a little bit in between there, it would be beneficial. If you're running your lather kind of thin, you may get your lather a little thinner if you're adding that, so it may become droopy or drippy. So just a word of caution if you try it out. If you do this method, comment below and let me know. Do you wet your face between passes? You're seeing it here for the first time that I've ever done it. For a second, I thought that was a brush hair. That's because I don't have my eyes in. I feel like this head on the razor is pretty bulky. If you see it, it definitely has the nice lather channels in there to help get the lather away from the face as you're shaving. But to get up around areas of your goatee or mustache, nose area, may be a little bit trickier. Some of you watch me on Instagram when I do my live shaves, and I had made a comment on there that if I reach 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to shave my head. I'm not too far away. I think I got like 300 and some change, but it's closer to 400. And that's quite a few more subscribers to obtain. So I think that's going to be kind of difficult for me. And I'm not going to make 400 fake YouTube accounts to get there. And you know, my hair is pretty nice and thick. It's starting to gray a little bit. Hey, I'm not a young pup anymore. Let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. I'm not digging the new foam mount, but it'll work in a pinch. I'm gonna use some Stirling unscented splash, and this is the glacial version. I need a little menthol this morning. And the razor did well. I will say that it's not super close, but it will shave. And I'm going to use the matching Havana Balm. This is new. Never tried it before. Can't say. It has a lotion kind of consistency. I will see how the dry down is on it. And the balm smells a little different. Could be a combination of the menthol, but I'm not so sure I like the scent in that one. All right, well, that is the shave for the day. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today, and I will see you guys on Wednesday's Will It Shave, and I'll be doing another blade showdown. I'll see you then. Have a great rest of your weekend.